Have you ever noticed how the world seems to subtly shift once you pass the age of 60, not due to a specific illness, but through a series of frustrating, everyday occurrences that become increasingly common? It's a profound shift that often goes unaddressed, yet impacts the quality of life for countless individuals. Picture this. You awaken in the morning, and for what feels like an eternity, your vision remains persistently blurry, refusing to snap into focus for a full 10 minutes. Or perhaps you walk purposefully into a room, only to find yourself standing there, completely bewildered, having forgotten the very reason you entered. Even the simple act of looking at a screen, a ubiquitous part of modern life, can become an arduous task, causing your eyes to ache and burn with discomfort after merely a few minutes. These aren't just isolated incidents. They're genuine phenomena experienced by many, and they represent more than just the inevitable march of time. This isn't merely getting older. It signifies a deeper, often overlooked biological process at play. However, these experiences are not an unchangeable fate. There is a path forward, and it begins with a startling truth. Groundbreaking research published in the esteemed Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging has uncovered that a staggering 92% of adults over 65 are deficient in at least one vital nutrient, crucial for the nocturnal repair and regeneration of their eyes and brain. Cite original text source. This isn't about daytime nutrition, it's about what your body desperately needs as you slumber. Consequently, every single night, your most critical organs, your brain and your eyes, are deprived of the essential building blocks required to mend and reconstruct memory cells, rejuvenate fatigued ocular tissues, and alleviate persistent dryness. This critical oversight, inexplicably, remains largely unaddressed in mainstream discussions about aging. I am Dr. James Porter, and if this is your first visit, I extend a warm welcome. I sincerely hope you'll consider subscribing if your aspiration is to cultivate a life characterized by enhanced mental acuity, sustained vitality, and enduring strength well into your senior years. Because today, we're embarking on an exploration of a remarkable secret: specific, natural juices, not merely ordinary beverages, but scientifically validated elixirs that possess the extraordinary capacity to fundamentally recharge both your brain and your vision during your restorative sleep. This isn't about chasing fleeting trends or relying on synthetic remedies. Instead, we're focusing on pure, wholesome foods, meticulously blended in the right way and consumed at optimal times. The underlying concept may seem disarmingly straightforward, perhaps even too simple to be truly effective, yet its transformative impact is profoundly potent, extending far beyond superficial improvements. I have personally witnessed patients once grappling with frustrating memory lapses and debilitating screen fatigue undergo a remarkable shift. They now experience mornings filled with invigorating clarity, enjoy crystal clear vision, and demonstrate significantly improved recall, all achieved by seamlessly integrating the appropriate juice into their evening regimen. Join me now as we delve into the intricate physiological processes within your body and uncover the incredible potential of these 4 powerful natural juices that work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. We'll begin with the first, and perhaps the most universally recognized, of these extraordinary elixirs, a staple that many tend to overlook. If there's one incredibly beneficial juice seniors consistently overlook, it's carrot juice, and that's a genuine oversight. This vibrant orange elixir stands out as one of the rare natural beverages capable of directly nourishing both your retina and your prefrontal cortex, the very hub of memory and focused attention within the brain. Carrots are exceptionally rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant your body efficiently converts into vitamin A. This crucial vitamin is essential for maintaining the robust health of your retina, particularly the photoreceptor cells responsible for clear vision in low light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, these delicate cells begin to degenerate, leading to common age-related visual impairments such as night blindness, blurry vision, and chronic dry eyes, issues many older adults experience daily. Furthermore, carrot juice boasts significant levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, two potent carotenoids scientifically proven to safeguard the macula, the specialized central part of your eye responsible for sharp, detailed central vision. These protective compounds don't just prevent further damage, they actively assist the eye in recovering from oxidative stress, a cumulative burden from years of screen exposure and harmful UV light. Now, shifting our focus to the intricate workings of the brain, carrot juice also proves to be a formidable ally. It is remarkably high in falcarinol, a natural plant compound scientifically shown to protect vital neuronal membranes and effectively reduce inflammation within delicate brain tissue. This anti-inflammatory action is crucial for maintaining optimal brain function as we age. A pivotal study published in the esteemed journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience in 2021 provided compelling evidence, revealing that daily consumption of beta-carotene-rich juice significantly improved both working memory and cognitive recall in seniors over 65, particularly those already showing early signs of cognitive decline, cite original text source. To put this into a tangible perspective, one compelling example from that same study highlighted that participants who consistently drank 250 milliliters of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks demonstrated a remarkable 13% improvement in visual recall tests compared to a placebo group, cite original text source. While a 13% improvement might not immediately seem monumental, consider the real-world implications. That percentage could represent the crucial difference between forgetting your neighbor's name and effortlessly recalling where you last placed your car keys, a subtle yet profoundly impactful distinction in daily life. This potent effect underscores carrot juice's dual power, nurturing both your vision and your cognitive vitality. Here's a crucial secret to maximizing the benefits of this golden elixir. Unlike many other juices, carrot juice is notably fat-soluble, which means your body optimally absorbs its powerful nutrients when it's paired with a healthy fat. Consider adding a small teaspoon of high-quality olive oil or a modest handful of nutrient-dense walnuts to your routine alongside your juice. So, if you're ready to integrate carrot juice into your daily life, here's my straightforward recommendation. Prepare it fresh each morning. Simply use 2 to 3 medium carrots, peel them, and put them through your juicer. For an extra zest or a beneficial kick, you might consider adding a thin slice of fresh ginger or a squeeze of lemon for an additional boost of vitamin C. The most critical aspect is to consume it with your breakfast, ideally a meal that incorporates a healthy fat. Even something as simple as a piece of whole grain toast topped with creamy avocado can significantly enhance the absorption and efficacy, because when your body receives the right kind of fuel, your eyes truly awaken, your mind sharpens with renewed clarity, and your entire day begins to unfold with an entirely different, more vibrant energy. Let's be entirely honest. When most people over the age of 60 contemplate issues like memory loss or the onset of blurry vision, their minds rarely gravitate towards the critical role of blood flow. Yet, this is a profound oversight, because without robust, consistent circulation, your brain and eyes are literally starved of the one vital element they absolutely depend on for survival: oxygen. This is precisely where the extraordinary power of beet juice enters the conversation. Beets are remarkably rich in dietary nitrates, natural compounds that undergo a fascinating transformation within your body. Upon consuming beet juice, these nitrates are efficiently converted into nitric oxide, a powerful natural molecule that acts as a signal, prompting your blood vessels to relax and gently widen. This crucial physiological process is known as vasodilation. Its significance cannot be overstated, because as your blood vessels expand, a greater volume of oxygen-rich blood can freely flow, reaching both your brain and your retina, thereby delivering the essential fuel these intricate organs require to repair and rejuvenate themselves, especially during the restorative hours of night. This enhanced oxygen delivery is a cornerstone for maintaining both cognitive sharpness and visual acuity as you age. The scientific evidence supporting beet juice's efficacy is compelling. A significant clinical study, published in the esteemed Nitric Oxide Journal in 2020, unequivocally demonstrated that adults over 60 who incorporated beet juice into their daily regimen experienced significantly improved cerebral blood flow, particularly within the frontal lobe. Cite original text source. This area of the brain is critically responsible for vital functions such as attention, complex decision-making, and short-term memory. The same study further revealed that after a mere 4 weeks, participants exhibited faster reaction times and a heightened ability to focus during challenging cognitive tests. Cite original text source. Furthermore, when considering your ocular health, nitric oxide plays an equally protective role. It actively supports the delicate vascular network of the retina, diligently working to prevent the microvascular damage that can tragically lead to age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Complementing this, another study published in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics in 2019 confirmed that increased nitric oxide production, directly resulting from consistent beet juice consumption, effectively helped to maintain retinal thickness and significantly reduce oxidative stress in aging subjects. Cite original text source. What is truly remarkable about beet juice is the sheer speed with which its beneficial effects manifest. Unlike fat-soluble compounds that take time to absorb, nitric oxide production from beet juice begins almost immediately, often within a mere 30 minutes of consumption. This rapid action can translate into sharper focus, noticeably improved blood flow, and clearer vision, sometimes even within the same day. Of course, individual results vary, but if you've been feeling mentally sluggish, or if your eyes feel tired, dull, or strained by afternoon, this powerful red juice could be the natural boost your body has been waiting for. For those ready to embrace its benefits, here's how I recommend incorporating it. Use 1 medium raw beet, peel it, slice it, and juice it with a small apple or half an orange to balance its distinct earthy flavor. The ideal time to drink it is in the afternoon, typically between 2 and 4 p.m., precisely when many people experience that familiar dip in energy and mental clarity. You can even amplify its effects by pairing it with a brisk walk. But even on its own, a single glass a day provides your brain and eyes with the oxygen-rich blood they desperately need. Moving beyond circulation, let's explore a truly exceptional power, one that works on a cellular level, actively rebuilding and protecting your neurons and retinal cells. Some foods offer mere protection, but a select few possess the extraordinary ability to help regenerate what time and age have gradually eroded.